Gwyneth Paltrow's ski crash trial may be over, but one of her attorneys has social media buzzing. James Egan went viral during the case for his looks, with some users on social media comparing him to Superman. Katie Couric even weighed in, writing, "He's cute," and Evan Ross Katz wrote, "Clark Kent, yeah. But that isn't all there is to know about James. He was Gwyneth's second attorney in her Utah trial. He joined the Epperson and Owens firm in 2016 and focuses on medical malpractice defense. When he isn't defending the Oscar winner, he is writing songs. James is also a singer-songwriter who posts his music on Spotify, and he has a 1-year-old at home. Now that the trial is over, he is probably celebrating his big win with his family. On March 30th, a Utah jury found Gwyneth not at fault in her ski collision with retired optometrist Terry Sanderson in 2016 and awarded her with $1.
Was Gwyneth Paltrow at fault? No.
The jury determined Sanderson to be at fault in the crash.
What percent of the fault do you assign to Terry Sanderson? 100%. Damages. What amount fairly compensates Gwyneth Paltrow for economic damages? $1.
Gwyneth remained steady as the verdict was read, then had a slight smile as the trial wrapped up, and noticeably went up to Sanderson and appeared to share a brief word with him as she left the courthouse. Sanderson had filed a $300,000 lawsuit against Paltrow over the collision. His attorney claimed that Paltrow crashed into Sanderson on a beginner slope, causing him to break 4 ribs and sustain permanent traumatic brain injury. Sanderson additionally claimed that Paltrow and her group skied away from the incident without getting him medical care. Paltrow denied all allegations and countersued Sanderson, alleging he was the one who ran into her. She sought $1 in symbolic damages and for attorney's fees to be covered. The trial began last week, and the jury began deliberations earlier on Thursday. Earlier in the trial, Access Hollywood's legal contributor Camille Vasquez had shared her insight on what the jury might be looking to in reaching their verdict.
The jury's going to be looking at whether Gwyneth is telling the truth or Terry is telling the truth. I think the fact that she's there, she's in trial, she's making a point, she's going to testify, her children will testify, her family is going to testify. I think it sends a message to the jury. But I think what's going to be more significant and potentially sway the jury a bit more is the independent third parties. So the witnesses like the ski patrol, those people are going to be independent. The jury's probably going to pay more attention to their testimony.